Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a website where you can explore and find out the VS Code themes. So this is the website. If you go to the browser, simply type vscodethemes.com, and right inside this website it contains a lot unlimited number of VS Code themes. So it actually gives the name of the theme. Likewise, GitHub theme that you can see right here. You will see the short little preview of the theme, how the theme looks like. And if you are interested, you can copy this name and install this extension. So it has unlimited number of themes right here, and it becomes very much easy for you to actually search for a specific theme right here, as you can basically select here in the search bar. If you simply type GitHub, now it will filter out all the GitHub related themes and it will show to you. Likewise, and you can even sort this by the trending themes which are there. So right in the trending section is also there. You can simply say trending. So now these are some of the trending themes which are there. You can see colorful GitHub. If I remove this search and just click on trending, and if I refresh, go to VS Code, and if I now, these are some of the trending themes out there. Neo Kiro theme. So this website is very useful. So you can see unlimited number of themes are there. So inside pagination. So so now once you selected any sort of theme that you want to activate, you can basically select any theme, and then it will give you the name of the theme. And then if you go to VS Code, go to extensions and simply type this name that it gives you, and you can see this is actually this theme. Click on install, and as soon as you install this theme will be activated. So as you can see, so in this easy way guys, you can activate, explore any sort of third-party VS Code themes using this website. You can uninstall this, and if you are looking for a specific language related themes, you can see this is showing you JavaScript. In the drop down you can select PHP as well, so now the PHP code will be written right here. And you can even toggle the dark theme. If you only want to see the dark themes, it will show you the dark themes only. So this is a very useful website guys. Definitely visit vscodethemes.com. Here you can explore uh, third-party VS Code themes, which are very much popular. And once you simply search for the name, and you can see. So I personally use this website a lot to actually get access to the themes which are released every day by VS Code. So it gets added inside this website. So it becomes very much easy to actually get whichever theme that you like. So you can easily access it. Just copy the name and paste it in the extensions tab, and right here simply activate the theme. After activating it, you basically, so now you can see it has a various. So once you activate your theme, likewise you can see that. So definitely install this, or go to this website vscodethemes.com and explore and find out third-party VS Code themes in various languages. You can sort this and also search for it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.